Hi, it's Juju again from Juju's Loves. Just wanted to do a redo of this video to kind of touch on some things that I have learned from talking to people and getting some feedback that might not have been as clear in my original video. My goal is definitely to get you to get the curls that you want. So I'm doing it again. Hope that it's better this time. Hope that it makes more sense. So my hair is freshly washed and retwisted without clips because I don't have time to take the clips down. And again, I'm gonna start at the back. Hopefully the camera won't overheat this time and get some footage of the back. My hair has been locked for 8 years, and I want to spin around and give you an idea of the length of my hair in its totality so you can see where it falls. Again, all you need is water. In my last video, there was some confusion about the size of the loop you need to make. Just to clarify, what I should have said is make the loop the size of your thumb from tip to joint, not the length of your thumb, just from the tip of the thumb to the first joint line, or smaller if you can. The shorter the loop, the less straight root you'll have to deal with in the end. This is done so there's as little straight root as possible. So you're going to gently wrap the hair around the loop you made, starting at the top of the loop near your scalp, pushing up as you go to create room for the remaining hair. When you get to the bottom, tuck the end of the lock into the bottom of the loop you created. Pull down gently on rolled hair to make sure it's secure. You don't want it to unravel before it's time, but also don't make them so tight that you struggle to take them out at the end. After wearing my short Loc Knots in for a week and getting loads of compliments, I finally took them down. My hair is looking a little dry here. I probably didn't oil it as well as I should have while they were in, before they were in. But just to note, you can spray oil at the end to shine them up. Not water though, unless you want the curls to drop a little more. If you do use water, do a very fine light mist. And this is the final result. Curls that are going almost to the root. I really like them. I'm feeling these curls, even if they do need a little oil for shine. Hope you like yours too. Let me know how they turn out. And if you want to be notified about the next upcoming video, be sure to hit the notification button, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.